using it to design everything from bridges and buildings. The precision and efficiency offered by AI allow for more robust and sustainable structures, reducing both time and cost in the construction process, to aircraft and medical devices. In the aerospace industry, AI is helping to create lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient aircraft. Meanwhile, in the medical field, AI-driven designs are leading to groundbreaking advancements in medical devices. For instance, a team of engineers used name of the AI tool to optimize the design of a wind turbine, resulting in a 15% increase in energy efficiency. This not only boosts energy output, but also contributes to a more sustainable future. In another case, name of the AI tool helped a small startup develop a low-cost prosthetic limb with advanced functionality. This innovation has the potential to improve the quality of life for countless individuals, making advanced medical technology more accessible and affordable. The applications of AI in engineering are vast and varied. From optimizing manufacturing processes to enhancing collaborative efforts among engineers, AI is a game changer. As we continue to explore its potential, the future of engineering looks brighter and more innovative than ever before. Section 5. Embracing the change, a call to engineers. The $5 AI revolution is democratizing engineering. This revolution is not just about making technology cheaper, it's about making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. Imagine the possibilities when every engineer, from students to seasoned professionals, can harness the power of AI without worrying about the cost. It's empowering a new generation of innovators by removing the cost barrier to powerful tools. Young minds, brimming with ideas, can now bring their visions to life. This accessibility is fostering a culture of creativity and innovation, where the only limit is one's imagination. This is an exciting time to be an engineer. The landscape of engineering is evolving rapidly, and those who adapt will thrive. The joy and excitement of working with cutting-edge technology are palpable, and the sense of accomplishment is immense. I urge all engineers to explore these affordable AI tools. Dive deep into the world of AI and discover how it can enhance your projects. Whether you're working on a small personal project or a large-scale industrial application, these tools can provide invaluable assistance. They have the potential to transform your work and open up new possibilities. Don't get left behind. The future is being shaped by those who are willing to embrace new technologies and methodologies. By integrating AI into your workflow, you can achieve results that were previously unimaginable. Embrace the change and ride the wave of the future. The world of engineering is on the cusp of a new era, and those who are ready to adapt and innovate will lead the way. Let's move forward together and create a brighter, more technologically advanced future.